Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, please wait a minute.
So have you understood, Rakshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Samraj, do tell me if you have understood it also.
Yes, ma'am, I understood. And ma'am, I have done it.
Okay, so let's move to the next question then.
Ma'am, I just have a doubt, ma'am, in a question.
Yeah, do tell me what is the doubt.
Ma'am, it is 4x.
You are
Ma'am.
talking about some other question?
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Do tell me 4,
X.
then bracket or 4x?
No, ma'am, it's just 4x
Yes.
minus 7
Okay.
equals to 3.
Is equal to 3.
Yes, ma'am, 3x plus 9.
Okay. Please check the screen. Have I written it right? What you want?
Yes, ma'am, it is correct.
Okay. So what is how to do this question, Samraj? We will be sending minus 7 to another side. Then it will be plus 7. Okay. Now in the next step, I will be sending this plus 3x to another side. Then it will be minus 3x. Okay, now 4x minus 3x is x. It is equal to 9 plus 7, that is 16.
Ma'am, I have done this question, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I just replaced ma'am 4x by 9, ma'am.
Replace 4x by 9.
Yes, ma'am, I have replaced 4x.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Just hold on, Rakshita. First, Samraj, what you have done, do tell me. I will be writing step by step.
Ma'am, I have written ma'am minus 9 minus 7.
Minus 7 minus 9, okay, is equal to?
3x minus 4x.
Correct. It is correct. After that?
Ma'am, minus coming, ma'am, minus 16.
Minus 16, yes.
Is equals to x.
Minus x. See, 4x is having sign minus.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So x is equal to 16. Minus and minus will get cancelled.
Ma'am, here we can take x by 1 on also now, ma'am, 1x.
X means 1x, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
1x we don't mention, we write it like x.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a question, Rakshita.
Ha, Rakshita. So do you understand this question, Samraj and Rakshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now Rakshita, tell me what is your doubt? Is it some different question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the question is, a shopkeeper sells mangoes in two types of boxes, one small and one large. A large box contains as many as 8 small boxes plus 4 loose mangoes. Set up an equation which gives the number of mangoes in each small box. The number of mangoes in a large box is given to be 100.
Is given to be?
100.
100. So see the number of mangoes
In a large box.
in large box, you are saying that it is 100.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in the large box, you are also saying there can be 8 small boxes plus 4.
Plus 4 loose mangoes.
Plus 4 loose mangoes. So what I have considered, let mangoes in small boxes be x. So what I have considered, mangoes in small boxes be X. So 8 small boxes meaning we have 8x mango and 4 loose mango. So that will come in the large size, that is 100.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any other doubt, both of you?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm moving to question number 3C part. 16 is equal to 4 plus 3t plus 2. This is the question.
Ma'am, it is 3 plus 2.
Ma'am, it is t plus 2.
3 into t plus 2.
Okay.
So do you want to try it yourself, both of you? Try.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, is the answer, ma'am, is t is equals to 11 by 4?
You're saying 11 by 4.
Yes, ma'am.
No, that is incorrect. So Samraj, do tell me what you have done.
Ma'am, I heard, ma'am, 16 minus 3 is equals to
Where is 3?
what, ma'am?
Why you are saying 16 minus 3?
Ma'am, because I shifted 3 to the other side.
नहीं, see, 3, इधर देखो समराज, 3 is in multiplication with t plus 2.
Okay, ma'am.
And this 4 is with plus sign. So when it moves, it is single. When it moves, then 16 minus 4. Understand the first step?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done.
What is your answer?
Ma'am, t is equal to 2.
Your answer is correct, Rakshita. Do tell me how you have done.
Ma'am, I have written 16 is equal to 4 plus 3t plus 6.
6.
Yes, ma'am.
You have opened it.
Yes, ma'am.
So फिर से बोलो क्या लिखा है तुमने?
Ma'am, 16 is equal to 4 plus 3t plus 6.
करेक्ट, ऐसे भी कर सकती हो. हाँ, फिर
Ma'am, 16 is equal to 4 plus 3t plus 6.
करेक्ट.
16 is equal to 10 plus 3t.
करेक्ट.
16 is equal 16 is equal to 3t plus 10.
ये तो फिर से बोल दिया। हाँ, अब इसके बाद क्या किया है?
मैम मैंने इसके बाद मैम
इधर देखो 16, अब मैंने 4 को इधर भेजा, देन इट इज -4. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 16 माइनस 4? सम्राज?
मैम 12.
12. 12 is equal to 3 into t plus 2. अब क्या लिखूं सम्राज?
Ma'am, then we will write, ma'am, 12, 12 divided by 2 is equals to 3t.
What you are saying? 12 divided by
2, ma'am, 2.
तो 2 3 मल्टीप्लीकेशन में है. 3 is in multiplication with this whole t plus 2. तो 3 को हम डिवीजन में भेजेंगे ना.
Okay, ma'am.
So 12 by 3 is how much?
Ma'am, 4.
4. 4 is equal to t plus 2. Okay. What should I do after that?
Ma'am, then we will, ma'am, do it, ma'am. 4 divided by 2 is equals to t.
4 divided by 2 क्यों प्लस है? It is plus. तो प्लस दूसरी साइड जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस. So what should I write?
Ma'am, it will be, ma'am, 2 is equals to t.
Correct.
Ma'am, but if we divide also, ma'am, then also the answer will become.
अरे आंसर की चिंता मत करो, सही सॉल्व करो. प्लस
Okay, ma'am.
plus will move to another side, then it will be minus.
Okay, ma'am.
So can we proceed? आप कहाँ पे अटक गई हो रक्षिता? मैं बता देती हूँ. So you are getting like this. This is your last step. हाँ जी रक्षिता.
yes ma'am.
इसके बाद आपको +10 को अगर आप साइड चेंज करोगे देन इट इज -10. So 16 minus 10 is 6. And 3 is in multiplication. If 3 will go to another side, it will be in division. So you got t is equal to 2. Understand?
Yes ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, so let's move to the next question. That is D part. 4 plus 5 into P minus 1 is equal to 34. Okay, so now I am giving this question to all of you to solve.
Okay, ma'am.
But I can't see your screen.
Is it same with you, Samraj?
No, ma'am.
So, Rakshita, please check why you are not able to see my screen.
Ma'am, she left.
Okay.
Ma'am, there are two methods to solve this kind of question, right?
Yeah, there are many methods, not only two, many methods. But the concept is same. You have to apply rules of transposition.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, do tell me, Samraj.
Ma'am, I think the answer is, ma'am, 31 by 5.
You are wrong. How you have done, do tell me.
Ma'am, it is wrong.
Yes, it is wrong.
Ma'am, I have shifted, ma'am, 4 to the other side, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
34 minus 4.
So you have shifted 4 to another side. So what you have write on another side?
Ma'am, 34 minus 4.
Okay, this is correct.
Ma'am, then it is 5 bracket p minus 1 bracket is equals to 30.
Correct?
Then I have written 5p minus 1 is equals to 30.
No, no, no. That is wrong. So 5 has to be multiplied by p and 5 has to be multiplied by 1. So minus 5 is equal to 30. Understand, Samraj?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, then the answer will be 30, ma'am.
30?
Ma'am, it will be subtracted now.
Find the answer. No, it is still wrong. Now do tell me what should I do after this step?
Ma'am, it will go on the other side, ma'am.
What will go?
Ma'am, minus 5.
So what it will become?
Ma'am, 5p is equals to 35.
Correct. Then
Ma'am, we will divide. Ma'am, p is equals to 35 divided by 5. Ma'am, which will be 7.
correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, but I don't really get how we solved this question.
Speak again, Rakshita.
Ma'am, I am very confused in how we solved this question. Ma'am, I don't get it.
इसमें क्या कंफ्यूज है बताओ क्या कंफ्यूज हो आप दूसरे वे से कर रही हो
नो मैम मेरे को ये क्वेश्चन आ भी नहीं रहा है और ये काफी कंफ्यूजिंग भी हो रहा है मेरे को जैसे हमने किया है अभी
इसमें क्या कंफ्यूजिंग है देखो 4 है रक्षिता रक्षिता ये +4 है +4 अगर दूसरी साइड में जाएगा देन इट बिकम्स -4
यस मैम
ओके फिर 5 इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय p तो 5 इंटू p क्या हो जाएगा 5p और 5 इंटू -1 क्या होगा -5
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then 34 minus 4 is 30.
Yes, ma'am.
If minus 5 will move to another side, it will be plus 5.
Yes, ma'am.
So 35 and 5 and p are in multiplication. So if I send 5 to another side, it will be in division.
Yes, ma'am.
So we got p is equal to 7.
Okay.
Ma'am, done.
What you are saying, Samraj?
Ma'am, I have written it, ma'am.
Okay. Rakshita, can we proceed or you are writing?
Ma'am, I'm writing.
Write it, then do tell me.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. Okay, so we are on the E part. 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 m minus 6. So both of you try.
Ma'am, can you explain this question?
Just try it yourself. I will definitely explain, but just try yourself first.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Samraj.
Ma'am, I have done, ma'am. Is the answer 10?
What you are saying?
Ma'am, the answer is 10.
No. Do tell me the steps. I will tell you where you went wrong. And Rakshita, you also pay attention. Yes, Samraj, batao.
Ma'am, first, ma'am, I have moved 16 to the other side, ma'am, which will be 0 plus 16.
See, it is plus.
Yes.
16 is plus. So it will become minus.
Okay, ma'am. I'll just change it.
What should I write after that?
Ma'am, just 1 minute, ma'am. I'll just do it, ma'am, then I'll tell.
Ma'am, ma'am, can it be 0 minus 16 is minus 16 and then
You are
plus?
correct, minus 16. Okay, after that, Rakshita,
Ma'am, then we have to add 4 to minus 16.
why add? 4 is in multiplication. If nothing is written, 4 bracket m minus 6. What does it mean? 4 is in
multiplication.
So if it goes to another side, it will be in division. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
What should I write after that?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Samraj.
Ma'am, I have done, ma'am. This is not the ma'am. I have written, ma'am, minus 16 is equals to 4 bracket m minus 6, ma'am. Then I have written, ma'am, 4m, 4m, and ma'am, 24 on the ma'am, on the other side, ma'am. That will be, ma'am, 8. 8 is,
Minus 24. What you will say?
ma'am, it is minus 24, ma'am, and then we will shift to the other side. It will be plus 24, and ma'am, at the sum, ma'am, then it will be 8 is equals to 4m, and ma'am, then will be the answer is m is equals to 2.
You are correct now, Samraj.
Thank you, ma'am.
So I am doing it by 2 ways. देखो ये मैंने समराज का वे लिख दिया है इस स्टेप के बाद, और अब मैं अपना वे लिख देती हूँ. तो मैंने 4 इधर पहुंचा दिया. तो minus 16 by 4 is minus 4. If I send minus 6 to that side, it will be plus 6. So minus 4 plus 6 is also 2. So whatever method you adopt, answer will come same. So be assured about this thing that you will be getting same answer, irrespective of the method employed.
Ma'am, can you explain this equation with the old method you taught us?
Old method means?
Ma'am, you explained the method yesterday, the new one.
Yesterday, which method?
Ma'am, in yesterday's one.
Yesterday we are doing rules of transposition.
Yes, ma'am.
You are asking me the initial method, subtracting, adding, वो वाला?
Yes, ma'am.
देखो, I have written question again, but Rakshita, that will be big method. So how I will do here? Subtract 16 from both sides. So I can write so 16 minus 16 is 0. Then I will write divide both sides by 4. Then this 4 and 4 will get cancelled, or minus 16 by 4 is minus 4 is equal to m minus 6. Now I will write add 6 on both sides. So minus 6 plus 6 is 0. So answer will come same. So these are ways. But you should be very well in this rules of transposition, because it will be required everywhere, Rakshita.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay. So now the question is construct three equations starting with x is equal to 2. Yes. Construct three equations starting with x is equal to 2. So if I start with x is equal to 2, how can I write? I can add 1 to both sides. Then the equation becomes x plus 1 is equal to 3. So I have started with x is equal to 2 and I have make an equation. Similarly, I can write more equation starting with x is equal to 2. What I can do, I can like multiply 5 to both sides. Now I will be adding 2 to both sides. So 2 into 5 is 10. So the equation becomes 5x plus 2 is equal to 12. So how I have done? मैंने x is equal to 2 रखा है. Then I have multiplied both side by 5.
Yes, ma'am.
फिर मैंने दोनों साइड में
Ma'am, but where did this 5 come from?
कुछ भी आप बना सकते हो इक्वेशन. बेसिकली अगर आपने बैलेंस देखा होगा, हैव यू सीन बैलेंस, जिसमें वेजिटेबल वाला जो रहता है वो वेजिटेबल पुट अप करता है.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना. तो वो क्या करता है, दिस इज x इज इक्वल टू 2. तो अगर मान लो इसने यहाँ पे एक वेट रखा है और यहाँ 2 kg वेजिटेबल रखी है, जब ये बैलेंस हो जाता है, अब इसमें मैं दोनों जगह सेम डाल सकती हूँ, देन इट विल बी इक्वल. दोनों में मैंने क्या किया, 5 का मल्टीप्लीकेशन किया,
Yes, ma'am.
फिर दोनों में 2 ऐड किया. जस्ट टू गेट इक्वेशंस आई नीड 3 इक्वेशंस स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम x is equal to 2. Okay, I am doing another one. Third equation. So let's say if I divide it by 2, both side I am dividing it by 2. Now I am adding 5 to both sides. So 2 by 2 is 1. So x by 2 plus 5 is equal to 6. So I have again got another equation. तो जो मर्जी आप इक्वेशन बना सकते हो.
मैम तो ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि अगर जैसे हमने यहाँ पर
यही आंसर है, ये जरूरी नहीं है, कोई भी इक्वेशन बनाओ, but it should start with x is equal to 2.
Ma'am, can you show me the second equation, ma'am? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Should I show you the third one?
ma'am, I have written it.
Okay, so now I am reconnecting